Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. Let's have some power on. That's better. Well, I've got a bit of cleaning, but not as much as I did yesterday. I've had some gravel. This is yeah, ballast. Sorry. So looks like this scenic stuff is starting to catch up with me because I've ordered some various packets of static grass. This will be the first time I'm going to be using it. I've also got my two bridge, the backing side, the opposite side of the bridges that I done those last night while having a nice glass of wine. This part of the cliff has got a problem because I can still see through the photocopy paper at the the PayPal invoices. Look, so that needs another coat. I'm just going to put all the bridges back in place because they're just laying all over the place. I'll stick these on. Whoops, come on zoom, come back, and I'll stick these on and then I'll see what we're up to. So back in a moment. That's that one. That's them two. So this bridge now has its backing wall, and this bridge now has its backing wall. That's cool. That's very cool. Right, we're going to try and bring that locomotive, and it won't get past them isolators there. Whoops. Yeah, here we go. Coming up to the isolator. Bang. There we go. That's cool. That's spurring me on to do some electrics. Well, it looks like wiring is what is on today's menu, so let's get these out of danger. You can go and hide in the tunnel in safety. That's you out the way. Ginty, come on. Ginty, behave yourself. Oh. Right, come on Ginty, you had a night off, here we go. That's it, she's out of danger. Well, that's all the points all wired up this end of the station. So all these points work apart from one. Number 30 is playing up, so I've got to investigate tomorrow. So well, that's it for today. I've had enough. My brains are smoking. Hopefully the wires are not. I shall tidy this lot up with some cable ties and it won't look so erratic, but that's hour in the loft, calling it a day. I'm going down to the kitchen now to see what I can get on with down there. I'm sorry, no cardboard tonight. I've done enough card work to last me a lifetime, so I'm not doing that tonight. I'm going to have a gentle beer, a few beers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to, long last, fit the Flying Scotsman with her nameplates and her builder's plates. You see how fine these are. That's a 1 pence piece. Oh, these are going to be tweezer jobs, but she's sitting here waiting for them. As the main line's coming, this girl's going to get some running. So nameplates on there, and I think the builder's plate should go on there if they will fit. Right there. And crikey, she's dusty considering I cleaned it about 6 weeks ago. Or maybe a bit more than that. Yeah, so I'll show you her with her badges on in a little while. Right. Well, here's the Flying Scotsman. I've dusted her down, and even though she had a wash about, I don't know, what can I say, about 2 months ago, there must be enough dust in that loft to, you know, I had to brush her off again. But take a look at this. I have had troubles. This is pencil. Do you know how big that is? Look at the size of these. I had trouble getting them off the sprues. I think the company that makes them, starting with F, should do that for you, because this is so... Oh, my lens is actually touching the board, look. That's how fine they are. That's a penny, so... Oh, they're so fine. You can still see evidence where they were on the spruce, but I can't go any closer than that. I really cannot. My eyes won't allow me to go any finer. I think a filing would help, but I'm going to put them on as they are. So Flying Scotsman, here comes your badges. I think the nameplates are going to go on the side of the cylinders, the piston cylinders on the side of the our train. I don't think I'm going to be able to get those into place on the front plate. So here we go, I'm going to give it a go. If I mess it up, they're probably going in the bin. They're so fine. You can see I've bent them by just holding them in my fingers. Yes, this is fine work. There you go, that's the tip of my pencil, which I thought was sharp. Oh, look at that, that is amazing. Back in a minute. Well, that's one side done. I've got the builder's plate on the cylinders. I know people are going to be upset by that. This is so fiddly, and the radius of the badge isn't the same as my yeah, I've really struggled. I have managed to araldite that in place, so I'm going to do the other side now. But this is, oh, I don't know if my camera's going to pick up anything. No, it isn't. So yeah, this has been a hard job, and I've still got this one to do. Right, back in a minute. Here's a small tip. These that's a yeah, milk bottle top, and most of them go in the bin. But I save yogurt pots, vegetable trays, and yeah, you know, I get one of these a day. Ideal to mix your glues up or your paints or anything. And when you've got it so mucky, you can put it in the recycle bin and send it on its way, because tomorrow you'll have a new one. Yes, milk bottle tops and vegetable pots. Just one of many. There we go, that's the other side on. This side went a little easier than the first side. I used a little bit more glue and just dropped it on. But it's not brilliant. It's pretty rough, but as they're so small and so far away, that as it passes we won't know there's blobs of glue everywhere. And even worse than that, I dropped the nameplate on and I think I've got it upside down. and there's no way I could pick it up and turn it around without making an awful mess. So I think that's a fail, Alan. You've done a really shit job of this, but you won't know why she's whizzing by, and she does look better with something there rather than just a green splasher with nothing on it. So yeah, what's that? You need the main line finishing. Okay, yes, okay. Now I've got you some LNER carriages to pull, about 6 of them if I remember right. So that's the Flying Scotsman, in a bit of a mess really. Yeah, anyway, this is the end of this video. It was going to be a short one. There's only so much you can do when you're wiring, but maybe something tomorrow, and certainly something when I get the main line running. Yeah, you've been saying that for ages, Alan, but okay, that's Alan in the kitchen. I'm going to have a beer now, so that's Alan out. Try again. Oh, you terrier. Oh, here she is.